Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jane with Limelight Gal Crafts. Today I just wanted to do a little project share with you, some of the things I've been working on recently. I just completed this kind of like a pocket journal. Some people call it a traveler's journal, although I'm not going to be using it for travel related. It's more of a creative journal, kind of my dump for any ideas, or I'm going to keep swaps of paper collections I'm working on, so when I go to the craft store, if I'm looking for trims or beads or something or other embellishments to go along with my paper, I have a swatch of it to match things up. This was inspired by Kristianne over at Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. She did a tutorial on making a travel journal, so you can go over to her channel and just search for Traveler's Journal and you'll be able to find her tutorial there. So basically what I did was I used paper from the Recollections from Michael's. This is the Plush Peonies collection, and I really love this paper. Peonies is probably one of my favorite flowers. So what I did was I used the 3M laminating pockets, and I laminated the paper. This is just regular pink cardstock, and then I used one of the papers from the Plush Peonies collection. This is actually 3 different pieces of paper. I just placed them all together on top of the pink cardstock, and then I added, for the closure, I added the, this is the cord, telephone cord, hair ties that everybody gets. And then I used some pink cord and these beads that I had picked up. I believe I got these beads from Hobby Lobby. And then just added a little ribbon here that I've had in my stash for quite a long time. I think I got this back from AC Moore like 5 or 6 years ago. And then I added a dangle up here, and I put in some little charms. So I have it's the little clock, and then I have a flamingo. And these are enamel charms that I got off of Amazon. And then I added some beads, and then I made a tassel out of embroidery thread, and then I just added the ribbon. It's the same as the ribbon down here, to just finish off the tassel. And then I, of course, used jump rings and some chain to attach it all together. And then I used a jump ring to attach it to the cord, which goes through the eyelets. So I put eyelets, 3 up here, 1 in the center here for the closure, and then 3 down here. So then when you close it, you just put this down here like this, and it all stays closed. And then there's the side view of the journal. And then when you want to open it, you just take that off. It opens like this. So inside I left this blank because this is laminating paper. If I want to, I can put like some washi tapes in here to hold them in place to use. Heart die, 2 layers of it, and they're both little pockets, so you can put something in there, a note, or like I have my beading needles, they fit in there. This one's also a pocket. It's just a little pocket. And then I just put this here for decoration. I like this little die. It says I love right now. This is from the Elizabeth Creek Designs dies. And then for this first signature, I just used pink cardstock, and then I have blank papers in here. I stitched the papers to the signature, and then I just slipped it through the first cord here. And then on the next one I have two little mini signatures. So this one's just like little section to add notes. And then this one's actually sticky notes. So if you need to write a note to somebody, you can just peel it off and give it to them. And then I use the dies. These are actually from the same Elizabeth Creek die set that I have. So I just layered one on top of the other. Same here. These are just two dies layered on top of each other. And then on the next signature, I used some of the peony, Plush Peony paper. Actually, all these papers are from the Plush Peony collection. And then this one, same thing. I just put blank paper in, and I stitched the signature together on my sewing machine. And then the last one, I did a little bit differently. Instead of sewing the signature, I actually used embroidery thread and stitched it through. I punched holes and then stitched the embroidery thread through. I just used blank papers on this one too. And there's where I used ribbons to just tie this signature in place to the cord. You can see it on this side too. And then the back, of course, is blank too. I did get a little dent there when I was trying to put this eyelet in. I kind of messed up a little bit, but I figure I can just cover that up with a sticker or something. Nobody will notice. Unfortunately, it came through on this side too, so I might just put something there to cover it up. So I had a lot of fun making this. Like I said, you can find Kristianne's tutorial on Kristianne's Crafty Adventures if you want to make something like this. And I know there's other YouTubers that have tutorials for this as well, but I really liked how this turned out. I'm really happy with it. So there's that. And then I started practicing making some embellishments, because I'm kind of new to all this. I never really done a lot of paper crafting before. So this is my first attempt to make a tiny little shaker. So it does shake. And then I just layered the dies on top of each other, and then put the little cute on there. And then I didn't like the way you could see the foam, so I just put some ribbon around. I don't know if it's really the best. Try to make it look like a balloon. It's okay. I still need to practice making shakers. I guess I'll get better with time. And then I kind of messed up the glue stuck to the desk, and when I tried to get it up, it ripped there. But so this is something I'm still trying to perfect. And then I tried to make a rosette. So this is the first rosette I've ever made. I'm not really happy with the way you can see those seams, so I'm probably going to have to, I'm not finished decorating this. I need to find something that I can put to cover all that up. And then on the back, it didn't turn out too bad on the back, but you can see right there too. Of course, that's going to be the back, so nobody's going to really notice that. So I've just got to figure out how I'm going to finish that off. And then I've got this die that I just got recently from Michael's. It's a size die for the peony flower. So this is the first one I've ever made. And I got some gold glitter pen that I had and put a little bit of glitter around the edges of some of the petals and the leaf. And then I added some gold glitter for the, I think it's called the stamen of the flower. So this is the first one I ever made. I guess it didn't turn out too bad for my first attempt. So I'm going to practice making some more of these. And that's pretty much all I've been working on so far. So I have that and this, and of course the journal. So I just wanted to share those with you. Hope you guys are having a good day and happy crafting. Bye.